Hey everybody, welcome to Zilla Wraps. It is me, Matt Blake, your lowly sales manager, here to show you some exciting stuff in the shop today. We're doing a custom color change on this F-250 behind me. It's going to be this custom tan. It's very cool. They want to match a desert sand look. Right back here, this van, we're doing a removal. And right over here, we're doing a Reliant air conditioning box truck. So let's take a look at all of it right now. So the truck has been taken apart and gotten ready. And the guys are killing it, wrapping the bed right now. But it is a super dope color. This desert sand color that you can't tell in my video. Maybe just come by the shop and you'll see it that way. So it's gonna look really cool. And actually I can show you part of what it's gonna look like on here. And we're gonna do these numbers on here, which we have plotted here with these custom flags. In the color is for a retired Marine. It's gonna look amazing. This big old mean truck, and it's got this custom color. Then you move over here and we are wrapping another vehicle for Reliant air conditioning. It's a huge box truck. Not the biggest box truck we've had in here, but a pretty big one. We get a nice consistent look on all their stuff for them with all their graphics. The back looking tight as well. And then right here we're doing a removal. If you buy something that looks like garbage, or your wrap gets really, really old that someone else did for you, we can remove a wrap. It's just a matter of our guys applying a little pressure and a little heat, and that stuff comes off. You can kind of see when someone brings an old wrap, the condition is not wonderful on here. Like, you can just rub it off. So, but we've already got half of this thing removed. The side looks great, and we're gonna rewrap it, and it's gonna look even better than before. So you can see that half of this bed is done on this custom color here, and it looks really nice. You can kind of see the color a little better here. But it's going to look real nice when that gets all wrapped up. Get it? Wrapped up. These are the jokes, folks. So that's what we have going on here in Zilla Wraps today. If you check back with us, swing by the shop at the end of the week. We'll probably have a lot of stuff done on this truck so you can look at it. Or come by anytime. We'll show you what you're working on and find out what we can do for you. So thanks for checking out our video, and we'll see you next time.